What's going on today, guys? As you've seen in the thumbnail, we're putting wheel studs and some brand new wheels from HRE on the 2020 Supra. So I will show you the wheel studs and show you how to install them. Let's get started. So Motorsport Hardware supplied us with some cold forged steel wheel studs, what they call Titan race nuts. So I'll show you the race nuts first. As you can see, they've got a cool little Motorsport Hardware logo, and they're M14 by 1.5. We're gonna put the 1.5s on the actual Supra. So let's go ahead and open this up. Get all these out of there. And they're a nice black finish, so they don't look gaudy or strange. And so, as you can see, there is an Allen inside of that, and you go ahead and when you install these, you tighten this portion that goes into the wheel at 35 foot-pounds, and then you tighten the wheel at 105 foot-pounds, and that's what's suggested from Motorsport Hardware. Before you put the stud into the actual hub, you're gonna want to put some blue Loctite. Yes, this is red, but it's actual blue. So see, blue 242, removable. That's what you need. So don't go off the color of the bottle, go off of what it says. You see what we got here? Let's go ahead and put them on the car. So we're gonna go ahead, get the wheel off, and get these wheel studs on. And these right here are the big reason why we're going to these studs. We don't have to keep using these, which are pretty convenient, but as you can see, time-wise, definitely takes a little too long. And we're constantly pulling this car apart. We need to be able to do this more efficiently. So you just put a little, whoa. Just do a little dab. And then go ahead and make sure you wipe off any Loctite. All right, guys, and right before I torque these, I just wanted to mention the studs that we're using are the 1.5s, the 14 by 1.5. You want to stick within that 14 millimeter range, so 14.125 or 14.5, because of the weight of the car, the size of the car, and the horsepower the car puts down. Granted, this car is only 3,200 pounds, so it's not a crazy heavy car, but the amount of power and force that this car puts on these, it's just something you want to stick with. You technically can go smaller, but we do not suggest it, and neither does the manufacturer. So go ahead and set your torque wrench to 35 pounds. Have a friend in the car. We got Malin in the car right now, and he's holding on the brakes, and we're just going to torque this in a star pattern. Alrighty, and just now we'll put the wheel on and torque that down. All right, so as you can see, I already got the wheel on, got the lug nuts all tightened down. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna tighten everything to 105 foot-pounds. Man, don't these look good? All right, guys, thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you click like, hit subscribe, stay tuned. We have a bunch more things coming for you. Peace.